Hello and welcome to the application section of the National 5 video tutorials. Today we're going to look at 3D coordinates. 3D coordinates consist of three numbers. The first number is an x-axis number, which is all about left-right direction. So there's the x-axis there. The second number is all about the y-axis, that's how deep the shape is. And the third number is the z-axis, that's how tall up and down a shape is. Okay, so when we say h is at point 1083, that means it's come 10 across, 8 deep, and 3 up and down. So if we were to find m, which is the midpoint of AE, we know that m is halfway along the line AE. The point A is going to be 0 across, 0 deep, and 3 up. We know that point E is going to be 0 across the x-axis, 8 deep, and 3 up. So all we need to do is split the difference here. So M is going to be halfway between 0 and 0, well that's 0. Halfway between 0 and 8, well that's 4. And halfway between 3 and 3, well that's 3. And there's your midpoint right there. Now that you've seen 3D coordinates in action, have a go at this question here. You've got to find the point D, which is the far right hand corner of the pyramid. You know the 3D coordinate for E, which is 3, 3, 9 at the top of the pyramid. Pause the video here and I'll reveal the answer in just a couple of seconds. Okay, so if you got this correct, you would have got point D is 6, 6, 0. That means 6 across here, 6 up and down here, and it's not gone up in the air at all. As well as 3D coordinates, you might also be given a direction vectors question with a 3D shape. In this question we've been asked, what is the direction vector Q to W in terms of vectors A, B, and C? Well, vector A is going across the shape this way. Vector B is going across the shape this way. And vector C is going down the shape this way. So, if we're wanting to go from Q to W, we need to go in this red path here. So from Q to R, from R to V, and from V to W. Okay? You could do it in another way. You could go Q to R, R to S, and S to W, but it is the same vector that you're going to use. So let's think about it. From Q to R, we are going along vector B. Okay, so our answer is going to start with a B. From R to V, we are going along vector A, so we're going to add on an A to our answer. And then from V to W, we are going the opposite direction from vector C. So to get the opposite direction, what we have to do is take away C. And that's our answer. B plus A, take away C. Okay, this is your example to have a go at. In this case, I've changed vectors A, B, and C from the last example, so be careful with that. And you have to find the direction vector from U to S in terms of vectors A, B, and C. Pause the video now, and I'll reveal the answer in just a second. Okay, so if you managed this correctly, you would have got that US is equal to A plus C take away B. If you'd like to have a go at another couple of exam type 3D coordinate or direction vector questions, then here are the links to your past papers. And remember, you can download these past papers from the SQA website for free. And keep studying hard, and thank you for watching the video.